it one more time with a really short video. You're ready to save your final video so you can insert it into PowerPoint. You're going to go to the title menu up at the top that says Share. Click once on Share and then click on Computer because you're going to be exporting it to a computer. Next step is make sure that you slide this down so that you can see Windows Media and select Windows Media as the format. Next, select the preset. Instead of cable modem DSL, which is pixely and a little bit blurry, you want to select the HD version down here at the bottom, HD. Next, give it a good file name like Final Bridge. And then you're going to need to browse and find what folder you put that in. I always like to start at Computer and then go to my H drive. We've created a tech folder, and inside Bridges, we're going to save that. If I say OK, we've got 4 things here. Windows Media at HD quality, the Final Bridge name, as well as where we're going to save it in the Tech Bridges folder. Last up is click Save and wait. This is where you'd have some cool music playing, but now depending on how long your video is, that's how long this is going to take. The longer videos will take it longer to save, and now you can see this is going pretty decent. I should be done in about 10 more seconds. My video has been saved completely. I can click on Done, and I'm going to be able to go and view that video, or I can insert it into PowerPoint.